A judge has struck down Iowa's restrictive fetal heartbeat abortion law. The law was supposed to have taken effect in July of last year, but a judge temporarily blocked it from becoming law until a lawsuit brought by Planned Parenthood could be resolved. The law would have forced a ban on nearly all abortions as soon as a heartbeat was detected. That would have made it the most restrictive piece of legislation regarding abortion in the United States. Critics of the bill say many women don't even know they're pregnant at the 6-week mark.